welcome to this course. I'm really happy that you're joining this and starting this journey with me. Thank you for trusting me. I cannot really express how thankful I feel that I'm your instructor. I'm going to explain in this course some key concepts in digital marketing like traffic generation, lead capturing, and email conversion. So I will go through it step by step. This is a very beginner's level course, but it does have concepts that are also quite advanced. So it depends on what's your level. You might skip some parts and just go towards the ones that are more interesting to you. Just go through the curriculum and just choose the lectures that seem to be appealing to you and interesting for you. And don't worry if you have some parts that are already too familiar for you. You don't have to do them all. Just do the course in your own pace. This is a self-learning mode, but I'll be happy to answer any questions you might have in the forum. Another issue that I wanted to mention is that Udemy is a very student-centric platform. So everything that is generated through reviews is the feedback for instructors. So this is all that matters when it comes to a course being successful or not. So Udemy will ask you for a review quite early in the course. This is why I wanted to ask you to go through the whole content first before leaving me a review, or to skip to the lectures that are more advanced for you if you find the first lectures too basic. Just don't rush in giving me a negative review just because you have seen a couple of lectures and they seem too easy for you. For many people they might not be, they might be just starting out. This is why I have created the course this way. All the reviews that I'm getting are helping me to do my job better as an instructor, so please be constructive. I'm not here pleading for a 5-star review or anything like that. I just want you honest feedback which can help me develop myself as an instructor, work on more content, and be even better in what I'm doing. So if you have any ideas about things that you want to know more about, maybe something is not very clear in the course, let me know and I will explain it, or maybe I can record an extra video and add it to the course of no cost. Also, if you want to have a course on particular part of digital marketing which you find really interesting and you don't find any information about it, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to start working on something new. I have a lot of ideas myself about new courses, so it really matters whether your feedback for me is positive or constructive, whether I will continue working on Udemy and recording more courses. So please, I'm looking forward to working with you and have you as a student. It doesn't matter when you join the course, if it's towards the release or even few years after the course, I'll be always present in the forum part to answer any questions you might have. If you want to have a more in-depth consultation for your business, you can also arrange that through another social media. So best of luck with your course. I'm really excited for you and I hope that you have a lot of fun and learn really great things on this course. Best of luck.